How to remove footer on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to remove a footer or a header and also a footer into your Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see here, we're going to be on the site's dashboard. Once we are here, we are going to click on select and edit the site that we want to apply the changes for, and we're going to wait for the dashboard of it. So again, when we are going to be on the dashboard, we are going to select the setup or the home page in case you are not on them. So we can see the button of design site or edit site at this location here. So this is it. You're going to click on it and it is going to show you your website. Basically, it is not going to show the website, but it is going to open up the editor. So this is the Wix website editor. Now, what we're going to do, as you can see, we're going to head over the footer. As you know, a website on any platform is going to contain a header like this. This is a header. You can see the name of it. A body, which is going to be the part after the ending of the header, until we're going to see something which is going to have maybe a conclusion of your website, like contact info, website information, also some util links or useful links, and it is going to be called footer. So how we can delete that footer? If you're going to go to the traditional way to let's say edit or not edit, but basically delete the footer by clicking on delete button, it is going to delete the component of it, not the footer itself. So if I check or click the footer, I delete the footer, it is not going to delete it. As you can read, the header and footer can't be deleted. So to hide them, change the page layout. So here, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the page layout. How we can find them, basically, we are going to click on pages and menu at the left side of the screen. We're going to select the page that we want to hide the footer from. Click on the three dots, which is going to mean more options. Click on settings, head over the layout. Now, we are on the standard, as you can see, layout, and we have no header and footer. Unfortunately, on Wix, we cannot hide the footer without the header because of the layout, as you can see, law here. So if I am going to click on no header and footer, it is going to delete them completely, just on this page. So we have no more header or no more footer, also no more header. If I want to add only my header, I can go ahead and add a section. I am going to add a section here. I'm going to make it resembling the header, and we're going to start adding some elements like the menu. For example, I can go ahead and put it here. So let's attach it to the center like this. Boom. And you can go ahead and add a logo again, a login bar, and etc. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.